question is, how do I make my NotebookLM notebooks public? Okay, so first thing you want to do is go to notebooklm.google.com and you'll get to this page. And if you don't know what public means, it basically means that your notebook can be viewed by more than just you, more than just your account. And you can tell which ones are public because they'll have this little globe in the bottom right-hand corner. And it says on there, anyone with the link can view. So these are all the featured notebooks are public, and then this initial notebook is public. So I'm going to go into this one, this Art of Unix Programming, and you notice it doesn't have the globe there. Let's go in there, and then if you go in the upper right, there's a share. Click on that, and then under Notebook Access, you click that, and you only have two options. So let me go backwards. You can only make them public if it is a personal account. If you have a Workspace account, which is like their business account, and if you have an education account, you won't have these options, and I'll show you that in a second. So this is one of my personal accounts, and going back, now we'll go into Notebook Access, and it's restricted. It's basically only people with direct access to this account can get in. If we change this to anyone with a link, well, there's your globe, and then I can copy the link so I can share it with people, and then I can save it and share it successfully. And now if I go back out, now it has the little globe. And yeah, actually, even within the notebook, now it says public in here. So this doesn't mean that anyone can get to this. It means that anyone with the link can get to it. So I would have to copy the link, and then share that with whoever I want to get to it, and then now they can see it. So again, that's notebooklm.google.com. You get to the main page, you go into the notebook that you want to make public, you go to share, and then you go to Notebook Access, and you go on anyone with a link, and then you save it. And then again, you can copy the link from here, and then send it out to everyone that you want to be able to access the notebook. I'm going to change it back to restricted because I don't want this to be a public. And now we're done. So just to show you what it looks like on a Workspace account, give me 1 second. Okay, so now I'm switched over to my Pro account, which is actually a Workspace account, and I'll go into the General Aviation notebook because it's the first one here, and then same thing, go into Share, and if I go down, again, these are different options. So now I can put in a welcome note, and then viewers have access, and I can only do full notebook or chat only, but I don't have the anyone with a link. So I can't show you how to do it with this one because it actually doesn't allow you to do it with a Workspace account. So you can't do it with a Workspace account or with an education account. But that's it. Really just share, and anyone with a link, and then share the link with whoever you want to have it, and then that's it. I can't think of anything else to add, so I will end it there, and I'll see you next time.